all hooked up there. Bud Light, pull forward a little bit. Bud Light, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, hold it right there. Stop. Do forward, pull forward, pull forward. A little bit more. Right there, you lined up. On your mark, get set, go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. V-Trans. Look at this. Time to shake the blood up. Look at him, look at him. Boom, boom. Back it on up. It's 2 out of 3. Come on back and let's do it again. Let's get it exciting around here. Pull forward, Bud Light, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward, Bud Light, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward, pull forward. Hold it, Bud Light. Tight it up. You got it. On your mark, get set, go! Come on, Bud Light, do it, do it. Right there. Pull, pull. Give it up right there with the 4-door. Done a fantastic job. Give it up for Bud Light right there for getting it out here trying it anyhow. Alright, we got anybody else want to come up here and pull this 4-door off the pad? Bring it on. We got any Dodges up there want to come here and match? Oh, we got a Dodge Dually up there, don't we? Alright, is that Dodge going to pull? Is that Dodge going to pull? Are you pulling? Right here. We're going to find out what you got. Come on, let's go. You can yak later. Let's ride. Come on, let's go. Do something. Either way. Let's go. You don't run over nobody. They're sitting on the ground right there. Ooh, that's a pretty Dodge. What is the name? All Out Automotive. Look at up and down you go. Alright, that's All Out Automotive right here in the white dually doing a fantastic job right there. I guess he does fabrication, a little bit of lift kit stuff and all that kind of good stuff. So give it up right there for All Out. Alright, bagging it up. Bagging it up, bagging it up. Come on back, Dodge. We got any Dodge fans here today? How about them Ford fans here? You here today? Ooh, that's a draw. You might get this. I know. If you're scared, you can leave now. Alright, you tight. On your mark. Get set. Go! Uh-oh. 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 He held him up. He got them big old semi-tires holding him up. He got them semi-tires holding him up. Oh, stop. 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 Oh, that ain't good. You might want to shut that truck off. Shut the truck off. Yeah, shut the truck off before you run out of oil. Ooh, that wasn't good, boys. That's motor oil. That ain't nothing else. That's motor oil.
No.
You better hurry up and get it over there and park it. The rest of the oil.
Aceite motor diesel.
Give it up for the Dodge. That's all you're going to receive on that one. Well, we got oil on the pad. You know what oil does to tires when it comes to go faster? It makes them go faster. All right, well, I'm with that. Ain't nobody gonna want to get in that oil. Y'all got a broom or something around here? We can broom this dirt over that oil. want to try to dry it up? If you want to dry it up, we'll dry it up. You got 1 hour over there to Redneck Nationals is going to be starting at 7 o'clock. 1 hour to Redneck Nationals is going to be starting at 7 o'clock, so we're going to try to fill a little time here.